Hi lovelies, and welcome back to my channel Bentley Blonde. I hope all of you have been having a great summer so far. I know it feels like eons since I have made a video. I will definitely be having a update video coming up here soon, kind of explaining where I've been, so definitely stay tuned for that. Today I'm excited to have partnered with Fabfitfun to share a preview of their fall 2018 add-ons with you guys. I know, fall is already upon us. I'm so excited. You guys know I love fall and winter, the holidays, so I am so ready. Y'all, if you've been following my channel for a while, then you are definitely familiar with my favorite subscription service, Fabfitfun. But if not, they are a seasonal subscription box. It always includes full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. They're always amazing. The box retails for $49.99, but the value is always over $200. Plus, I have a $10 off coupon code for you guys, making the box only $39.99, which is amazing. So when you become a member, you gain access to their exclusive add-ons on top of their boxes. And the add-ons are open today. And if you're not familiar with them, add-ons are a members only flash sale where they have awesome products at amazing discounted prices. And they do sell out fast. So if you see me show something that you're interested in, be sure to head right over and add it to your box. This is just a preview of a few of the items that are available. They have a ton on their website, so be sure to head over. So the first add-on that I have to share with you guys is from Bento. This is their all-in-one stackable bento lunchbox. So cool. I always see people on Instagram sharing their bento lunchboxes and kind of what they've prepared. And I'm just over here with my boring Tupperware. So I'm really excited about this. I know my husband will be too, because he pretty much takes the lunch to work every day. And this will also be great for when I go like on play dates or to the playground with Colton and we want to pack a lunch. The Bento does have a nylon strap so that you can keep your lunch little containers here together, which is really nice. So they're not rolling around. Oh, really cool. So 2 separate containers, and it also comes with a knife, fork, and spoon. Close really nicely, nice and secure. So you can see that the first container has 2 separate compartments. Here in this lid you have your silverware, which is also nice and secure. And this one just has a really large container. But love these lunch storage containers from Bento. Really great if you have school-age kids, a great way to pack their lunches, and they are dishwasher safe and microwave safe, which is a great bonus. The next add-on is from Skin Iceland. This is their glacial face wash with white willow bark. Doesn't that sound refreshing? Glacial face wash. It's so hot and humid here, so that just sounds so tempting to me. So a really great sized tube, as you can see, full size. Oh, I love the smell. It smells really, really fresh. And it looks like it's fairly thick and like pearlized. So I think it's gonna go on really nice and creamy with a nice foamy lather, which I always love. So that's a great option. So the next add-on is from Tarte. This is their Highlight and Perfect Multi-Purpose Stick. Ooh, looks like a big giant crayon. Let me see. This is in the shade Bondi Beach Glow. I'm really into like everything bronzy and highlighted right now, so I'm super excited about this. You can see the big jumbo crayon top comes off and it's magnetic, which is really nice. So on this end you have this really beautiful highlighting stick, and then on the other end you have a blending sponge. So that's really neat, like 2 products in one. So let's watch. Ooh, it's really creamy and smooth. So there you can see, oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? I love that it's like a bronze highlight. It comes off kind of like peachy. Really pretty. Let's put some on and look. Oh, sorry, I don't mean to like flick you guys off. But look how nice that is. Ooh, that gives you a big time glow. So I absolutely love that. That's a really great option for an add-on. So next from Dr. Brandt, probably one of my all-time favorite skincare brands. I've never tried anything from them that didn't work for me, which is pretty impressive. This is their Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. Ah, thank you, Lord. Oh my gosh, you guys know I struggle with my under eyes. So eye cream, concealers, that kind of thing. They're like a daily necessity for me. I have to have them or I literally look like The Walking Dead. It's crazy. Look how pretty. that the packaging is. So again, triple peptide, and it helps with wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. All of the above, y'all. So you just unscrew the cap, and ooh, really nice. Ooh, smells super fresh, nice thick eye cream. The thicker the better. You want to keep your under eyes really moisturized, especially with fall coming up, because we don't want any crepiness or wrinkles. So I'm really excited to try that. Next is from Smile Sciences. Ooh, I've heard of this. This is their mint flavored teeth whitening kit, up to 10 shades whiter, formulated to reduce sensitivity. And it comes with your mouth guard mold so that you can get your impressions of your teeth. Then it comes with your syringes of your bleaching, whitening stuff. And then the little Smile Sciences light that you hold there. I've heard really good things about them, so that's a really fun option for an add-on. Next is a really cute little thermal mug from Bando. They always have the cutest stuff. It says, "More coffee, please." And you can see it has the little pop top here. And it's really secure, which is nice. So great to take on the go. Really cute little thermos. So the next add-on I actually have and use on a weekly basis, so I can vouch for it. This is the Zoe Ayla makeup brush cleaner. It's electronic. It works really amazing. I have shown you guys this before, but it spins your brush around to get it extra clean. All you have to do is put some water and soap in there. It's really awesome. So if you're struggling to clean your makeup brushes, or if you're not really good about it, I used to be really bad about washing my makeup brushes, and it would cause just breakouts on my face and everything. This is a really good option because it's really easy to use, super quick. So love, I highly recommend this brush cleaner. So just a few more fall add-ons to share with you guys. And the next one is from Air NYC. And these are their arnica infused post-session salts. So after you work out, and this is a solution for your sore and achy muscle problems. So you add 3 tablespoons to your bath after you do a workout. So let's take a look at these. Ooh, they're so pretty. It's like pink Himalayan sea salt. You can see in there. Really cool. Oh my gosh, it smells so strong. That's really, really strong. But it literally cleared my sinuses right up. I was a little stuffed up, not anymore. So that's really nice and refreshing. That would be really great, especially after a workout, so I can see. So really great for those sore, achy muscles. If you're doing a lot of working out, CrossFit, that kind of thing. So that's a really nice add-on, and this jar is huge. Like, I feel like this would last you forever. So next add-on is from Terra Mare Organic Vegan Rosehip and Hibiscus Anti-Stress Night Cream. And this is for normal to dry skin. So that's nice. Anti-stress night cream. Lord knows we're going through the terrible twos over here. So I need all the anti-stress products that I can get. So, ooh, it's packaged really fancy. It has a little spoon here for you to get the night cream out. And another glass jar, which I love. So this is the night cream, and it is really thick, but it's also very emollient. Feels like a really nice oil blend, so really great if you have dry skin, especially in the fall and winter coming up. And it has rosehip and hibiscus. So it is like a light floral scent, but it's not overpowering. So that's a really nice, luxurious option for an add-on. Last add-on I have to share with you guys today is from Campo, and this is their Energy Aromatherapy Oil. This is an uplifting essential oil blend with neroli and beauty oils, 100% natural. You just roll this on your pulse points, and it's gonna give me energy. Okay, I like the sound of that. So it has a really light, not very noticeable scent, which is nice. And it's supposed to make me feel energized throughout the day. And it made my skin softer, which is really great. So that is a cute little add-on from Campo. So those are all of the fall 2018 add-ons that I had to share with you guys today. So if you saw anything that you have to have, be sure to head over to Fabfitfun and add them to your box. Like I said, they do tend to sell out really quickly. Again, be sure to use my $10 off coupon code to get your fall Fabfitfun box. I know it's going to be amazing. I can't wait to see all the goodies that they have in store. So I'll go ahead and put my $10 off coupon code down below. And again, I'll be back with an update video soon, you guys. I promise. I know I've been super MIA. I'm so sorry. But I will have a video coming soon. And until then, enjoy your summer. Bye, guys.